Namaste. I'm Mr. Venkatram from Koname Wellness. I'm here to present you a device called CRT. CRT is nothing but a modified or developed pulsating electromagnetic field therapy by the team of special experts of Koname Wellness. This is very helpful in rejuvenating the body cells, tissues, nervous system, and so many physiological disorders, which is naturally regenerative and helps the people to be normal. This is a non-invasive treatment device which doesn't have any side effects. Initially, this system was used by ancient Japanese army to treat soldiers affected in remote areas, a battlefield. Then so many people went after it, research and developing this system. And many institutions and many people worked over it. Then it was proved in the healing of bone fractures. Later on, it was found to be effective in muscular disorders, neurological disorders, and so many other disorders also. Our medical team analyzed it, and we are now experts in treating different type of disorders, especially rheumatism, knee joint pain, neurological disorders, digestive disorders, and so many other ailments also. Our expert medical team is ready to guide it. There are so many types of machines available in the market now, which are on the basis of magnetic therapy, pulsating electromagnetic therapy and all. But ours is entirely different. Even though works on the same principle, the effectiveness of our machine is wonderful. In the market, so many other devices are available, starting from a few thousand rupees to lakhs of rupees, even up to 35 lakhs rupees. So many systems are available in the market, but our team has developed better than that. It went up. Our team did a very good work over it, and we are confident that we have variable applications and we proved it to be effective in so many treatments.
I am Hari Krishna Bharanya, a retired professor of Kannada. I am a diabetic patient. I have got one complaint called what we call imbalance of the body. It is due to, I think, brain imbalance. So MRI was suggested. In that, it given a result that my brain is shrinking due to age factors. Secondly, the right ear is not working well. So I felt very, very disgusted, and I got a pessimist that why should I leave? Mr. Venkatrama Konamme, he is the chief of the Konamme Wellness. He told me new method of treatment has come to practicals. It is called CRT treatment. So I tried. He himself suggested, you please come to my place and take this and have an experience. So nothing else you do. You don't have any medicines. You don't have any massages and everything. Only magnetic treatment only. So I felt that something is better than nothing. So I am taking this treatment from past 20 or 22 days. Now I have become a little bit optimistic that I can do, I can achieve, I can become a fully healthy man due to this treatment. That to that extent, the treatment has given me relax. So it is going on now. After 22 days, I feel about 50% plus changes in my life.
So many people ask questions about the side effects of this procedure. A lot of research papers prove that it's a side effect free, and it has been proven by so many research workers. All these health benefits are backed up by the researchers and published in various leading scientific journals as articles. This is a very simple treatment. Just lie down on the bed, which is specially designed and which is very comfortable and relaxed. That's all. But our machine does wonders with the time. It's very responsive and you have to experience it. The procedure time is just 20 minutes or 30 minutes according to our expert medical team's advice. Many people ask whether this system can be used while taking other medications or other treatment also. But as this doesn't have any medicines used, it can be taken in conjunction with other treatments also. So nothing to worry about that thing. Some people may think whether it is too costly. Is it affordable? But practically, just a session of 20 minutes costs only 2,000 rupees and it is taken as an outpatient treatment also. Moreover, it can cut down the treatment duration or healing period. If a person takes 15 days or 45 days for healing his wound, with the help of CRT, he will get well soon, just in a week. So it will cut down the healing period. That's the specialty of this treatment. We have very good results in treating so many ailments. People from different background, different economical status came here and benefited the treatment. For example, many people with digestive system disorders, back pain, frozen shoulder, and knee joint pain, peripheral neuropathy, and facial palsy, and some stability disorders. Such people are cured here and they are very happy that this is a treatment without any medications. They can walk freely. The people who could not walk freely, even they had difficulty with walker, they got cured in our center.
So now I have become some energetic and physically as well as mentally also. So with all these matters, so there are so many things to study in this subject, but technically I cannot explain the techniques or the technology. But what I felt is it is very, very useful, and without medicine, this treatment is such a treatments are very, very rare. So some people are doing some mesmerism and all that, but we can't believe it with that some basma or something. So not this is a jadoo vidya or something. It's not like that. There is no side effects also. So every day, one sitting, it takes 20 minutes of treatment. Only magnetic this field is working on our body. In such particular points. For example, for ears and the spinal cord area and the leg muscles of the leg, etc., etc. So it slowly works. No medicine, no massage, so no, without any side effects. It is very, very useful, and now I am fully optimistic that I will get complete and energetic.
They say that they were lacking confidence, they were fed up with the life. Such people have very good confidence. They came to normal. Their thinking capacity, their confidence has been improved after taking this treatment. They say that this system provided a lot of confidence and mental peace for them. As the system is a new one and it doesn't make any noise or sound or any vibrations. So you may relax sleeping on it. You can feel good without your notice. Our machine does wonders. CRT treatment also proved to be effective to reduce swelling of feet and inflammation, as you can see in the picture. So have an experience in a week of treatment. If you undergo for a few days, 7 days example, you will able to notice wonderful changes. Depending on the individual case, you may need to take a week's treatment or it may go up to 2 weeks. Depending on your individual body's normal healing powers and power duration. So it may vary. We have observed incredible results with CRT, especially in chronic conditions like rheumatoid arthritis affecting smaller joints, as well as scoliosis and persistent back pain. These long-term health improvements truly highlight the powerful healing potential of CRT. As many people are benefited here by this treatment, we offer this treatment for the benefit of the society and for the betterment of our society. You can be benefited by experiencing our treatment.